For nameplate winners like Maruti and Toyota, they are performing very well in the studies. In particular, Toyota Innova, like you've mentioned just now, it is ranked highest 6 times in a row. So what is the reason for this? Is it because it's not as crowded, this segment is not so crowded, or is it because there's a good maintenance schedule set by Toyota that enables customers to maintain their cars in prim and proper condition, like you said? Or is it just a truly well-built car compared to its competitors?
Yeah, I think it's, again, I think it's a mix of all of these reasons. And if you look at the Innova customer profile, while we do consider customers who are only personal use segment in this particular study, in general, if you look at the Innova customers, they also have a large proportion of commercial vehicle customers who are also fairly, sensitive in ensuring that their cars are, maintained well because they are being used for a commercial application. But that said, even for the personal side, I think people who are using the car for a personal application, you find that customers are not only being more sensitive, but the fact that the OEM also makes extra effort in retaining and contacting those customers to bring them in for service at their service centers. And I think that is, again, Toyota, which has also done very well in some of our international dependability studies, understanding very well that it is not just about the product, it is about the overall experience, which relates to the overall quality perceptions of the product. And that's really the success that you see today for Toyota in India.